Okay, it is 3:40 p.m. on 1/20/2014 as shown there. Bad focus, but in any case, there's the VIN. That's me. Okay, so we have check engine light on. We have 3 codes being thrown. We're going to read them. P0431, 421. It's 431 and 421. In any case, P0431 is the same cat code that it threw when it was in last time. Same cat code it threw after it was cleared when it was in last time. When I sent Rob Ice the email a week afterwards, and I got no response from Rob's email, but now the cat is clearly throwing that code again. And now for the same code, it is showing 421 on bank 1 in addition to bank 2. And that again is at 72/3/20, January 20th, 2014. And the cat code was noted when it was last in for its service, going back to the November time frame, I believe, but that's going to be in the email and in the service record.